Yan. Ah, ba't so beautiful. Ano yun? Yun, okay. Hello. Hello, hello. Good evening, Moon. Oh, wow. Hello. It's nice to see you again, Moon. Hello. How are you today, Moon? Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
How are you today? Are you good?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's very good to know that you are fine. So now let's continue with our lesson for today, Moon. So this will be our lesson for today. It's all about rainforest animals. So do you still remember, Moon, what animal is this in the picture?
What animal is that?
What
Me
animal?
too.
Yes, very good. This is a beetle. Wow, good job. Okay, so now let's read the sentence. I see
I see
a,
Peter
a beetle on the leaf.
on the leaf.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job that you remember what animal is this. Okay, so next one. Let's go with this animals. What are these animals?
They are
They are
parrot.
perfect, very good. They are parrots. Now let's look at the picture. How many parrots are there?
There are two.
There are two. Very good. So now let's read the sentence here. Let's say the parrots.
Yes.
Okay, let's say the parrots.
Yes.
Yes, the
What
parrots are.
what are you doing?
What are the parrots doing? The parrots
They
are
are flying.
flying. Where are they flying? In the
They are flying in the sky.
in the tree, in the sky. Yes, very good. So they are flying in the sky. And what are the colors of the parrot? What are the colors?
Yellow, blue, and red.
Very good. Yellow, blue, and red. So good job. So next one. What are these animals? The
Butterfly.
Yes, very good. So these are butterflies. And how many? How many butterflies can you see in
I
the
can say
picture?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I
Where
can
is
see 6.
where is the sixth butterfly? Oh, this one. So I saw it. There are six. Wow, very good. So now let's read the sentence. Let's say there
Many
are many
butterflies.
butterflies. And where are the butterflies? They are
They are
on the
on the flower.
perfect, very good. So they are on the flowers. And let's look at these butterflies. Moon, what are the colors of the butterflies? Hmm. What is the color of
And
this butterfly?
the red.
Red. Next one. What color is this? Blue. Perfect. How about this
And
one?
orange
Orange. How
and
about
yellow
yellow? And this one is also
mm, mm, and
blue. Also blue. And
blue
also, and this
and
one is
orange.
orange. Perfect. Very good. You're so smart. Next. What animal is this?
Yay!
Snake. What does a snake sounds like? What does it sounds like? Okay, so that is a snake. And what is the snake doing? The snake
The snake
is crawling
rolling
on the
on the tree.
perfect, very good. What is the color of the snake?
Is it
It's
gray and
green and what's
green?
this?
Green.
Green, green only? How about this one?
Your color green.
Okay,
Green.
very good. It's
Nothing. Everything green.
very good. It's green. So next, okay, let's take a look. What are these animals? There is a
Monkey, parrot, and butterfly, and frog,
frog. How about this one?
and snake, and
Snake,
beetle.
beetle. How about this one? This is a
Or
Leo leopard. Let's say leopard.
leopard.
Yes, very good. So good job. So good job in remembering all of those rainforest animal that we had learned. So now, teacher has another question, Moon. What animal is this? It's the
Uh,
leopard.
leopard.
Very good. Or the cat. Okay, next.
Leopard.
Leopard. Perfect job. How about this one? Moon, are you scared of this animal? Yes or no? Are you scared? Are you scared of this animal?
It is
Are you scared? Okay, let's listen to this one.
Bạn có sợ con vật này không?
Yes or no? Are you scared? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay.
Con về phòng con. Con.
I go.
This is what animal is this?
I go.
I go. This one is
Frog.
frog. Very good. What is the color of this frog? What is the color?
Black and blue.
It's black and blue. Very good. Now, Moon, what can a frog do? What can a frog
It's
do?
jumping.
Jumping. Very
I
good.
go.
Can you show teacher how you can jump, jump like a frog? Jump, jump, jump. Very good. They can jump. Good job. Next, do you think this frog is friendly? Do you think this frog is friendly? Is this frog
Is this
friendly? Do you think this frog can be your friend? Yes or no? Hmm? It's
mm,
a
is a
no.
no.
Yes, no, we can't be friends with
Mm.
frogs. No, we can't be friends with frogs because most frogs they are venomous. Okay, so we will get sick. Okay, next one. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. This one, let's take a look at the boy. Is the boy happy or sad?
Sad.
Very good.
Sad.
The boy is sad. And why do you think is the boy sad? Let's take a look at the stick and this one.
And
Why is the boy sad? Do you know what is
this
this? This
is
is a
it is
marshmallow.
much better.
Very good. So let's take a look at the picture. So the boy, he dropped his marshmallow. That is why he is sad. Okay. So Moon, what
He is sad.
is yes, he is sad. Very good. Moon, what is your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Is
Uh, do you like uh vegetables? Do you like candies? Yes or no? What's your favorite food?
the mm, mm,
Fish? Your favorite food is fish?
is it
Wow. What's your favorite food?
Món ăn yêu thích của bạn là gì?
What's your favorite food? Do you like
is it
chocolates? Chocolates? Do you like what do you like?
I like
No?
the
You like pizza?
yes.
Wow, like this one. Okay, let's see. This one, pizza. This one. Wow, what is this? This is a
Is it a pizza?
yes, very good. So now let's take a look again at the picture. What happened if you drop your pizza? Will you be happy or sad also?
Being happy also.
If
He
you drop,
is sad.
how about you? If your favorite food got dropped or
He
it
is
falls to
sad.
the ground.
He is sad.
He is sad. Yes, very good. How about you? Will you get sad if your pizza will fall like this? His
It's
marshmallow
the
fall or fell. Will you also be sad if your pizza get dropped? Yes or no? Will you be sad?
Billy. Be
Yeah. Yes, yes.
is
Yes,
yes.
yes, I will be sad because that's your favorite food and you will drop the favorite food. Okay, so very good. Wow. So good job, Moon, in finishing this lesson material. So now let's open our next lesson. So we will have a new lesson next this one. Let me just open our next lesson. So for our next lesson, so it will be about what are these? What do we call them? These
Is
jungle.
Jack.
Okay, one more time. Let's say jungle friends. Jungle
Jack. Well,
friends.
yes.
Okay,
Jungle
very
friend.
Wow, very good. So for this lesson, so we will learn about the animals that lives in the jungle like this. Let's look at the picture. Do you know what animal is this? What animal?
An ant.
And very good. How about this one? This, is this a leopard? Yes or no?
Leopard.
Is this a leopard or a tiger? A tiger. This one is a tiger. Yes.
Tiger.
Okay, now let's watch a video. So that is so that is the tiger. Now let's watch some video about a jungle animals. Okay, let's take a look at this video. Jungle animals. Ching. Let's open the video.
If you want to be a
Tiger.
tiger, growl out loud. Grrr, grrr. If you want to be a tiger, growl out loud. Grrr, grrr. If you want to be a tiger, really want to be a tiger. If you want to be a tiger, growl out loud. Grrr, grrr. If you want to be an elephant, swing your trunk. If you want to be an elephant, swing your trunk. If you want to be an elephant, really want to be an elephant. If you want to be an elephant, swing your trunk. If you want to be a crocodile, go snap, snap. If you want to be a crocodile, go snap, snap. If you want to be a crocodile, really want to be a crocodile. If you want to be a crocodile, go snap, snap. If you want to
Monkey.
be a
It's a
monkey,
monkey.
jump up high.
Jump, jump.
If you want to be a monkey, jump up high.
Jump.
If you want to be a monkey, really want to be a monkey. If you want to be a monkey, jump up high.
So that is for our lesson, which is Jungle Friends. So in the video, so we can see, so there are a lot of jungle animals. So now let's learn more about of these animals. Now, let's go to our first picture here. Let's look, Moon. What place is this? What place? We call this as jungle. Let's say jungle. It's the jungle. Very good. It's the jungle. Let's say it's the jungle. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? What animal? Do you know what
It's a
animal is
bat.
this? Very good. It's a bat. Next. How about this one?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. It's a tiger. Perfect job. So it's a tiger. How about our next jungle animal? It's a
parrot.
is it a parrot? Yes or no? No, it's a
A bird.
bird. Very good. It's a bird. Next one. What is this? It's
Ayun.
Ego. Very good. It's a frog. It's a frog. Very good. So next one. What animal is this?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. Very good. It's a monkey. How about this one? It's an
It's an ant.
perfect. It's an ant. So this our last animal would be what is this?
Yes.
It's a snake. Very good. How about this one? Oh, it's already done. So now, what are these animals again, Moon? What are these animals?
Is it bat? Bat.
Very good. It's a bat. Okay, now let's look at the picture. How many bats are there? How many?
One,
One.
2, 3.
Very good. There are
3.
3 bats. Good job. Next, what are the colors of the bat? What colors are the bats? They are color
They are blue and brown.
blue and brown. Wow, very good. Good job. Next one. Ta-da! What
Pair
are these?
bird.
It's
Bird.
very good. It's a bird. How many birds are there? Tweet, 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 tweet. How many birds are there in the picture?
No, it's a 3.
There are 3. Very
There are 3.
good. What are the colors of the 3 birds?
Is it blue and red and yellow?
Very good. Blue, red, and yellow. Perfect job. Next one. Let's go with the next animal.
Is
What
it monkey?
It's a monkey. It's very
Monkey
good.
from tree.
The monkeys are climbing the tree. Very good. How about how many monkeys are there? 1,
1, 2. There are 2 monkeys.
Very good. There are 2 monkeys. And what are their colors?
Yeah, brown.
Brown. Very good. They are color brown. Okay, next one.
I go.
Okay, what animal is this?
It's a dog.
It's a frog. How many frogs? How many frogs are there? How many frogs are there?
There are 2.
There are 2. Wait. I go. Okay, what are the color of this ego? What are the colors of the ego? What are the colors?
It's a blue or frog.
Color blue. Good job. Next one. Tiger.
Tiger.
Tigers. It's the tiger friends. How many tiger are there?
There are 2.
2. What are they? 2 tiger. Tiger. Very good. What are the colors of the tiger?
There are orange and black.
Very good. They are color orange and black. And what do you think are they doing? What are the tigers doing? Are
Tiger
they
is brown
the tigers are?
and black.
Flying. Yes. And playing. So they are playing. Good job. Next one. What are these?
Nice.
Shh. These are snakes. What are
Yay.
what are the colors of the snake?
It's
They are
green.
they are
Green,
color.
green. I like the color green. Green. Let's pick everything green.
Is this color green or yellow? Green or yellow? They are color yellow. And
Yellow.
what color is this? Color? It's color brown. Brown. It's color brown. Very good. How many snakes are there? There are how many? How
Yeah.
many snakes?
Uh, uh, green.
Three
Two.
or two? There are
Yes.
two
Two.
snakes. Very good. Good job. Next one. Oh, what are these
end.
animals? It's
That's the end.
the ant. Oh, how many ants? How many ants are there in the picture? Can we count the
It's
ants?
1, 2, 3,
3 only? How about this?
Three.
4,
4, 5, 6, 7,
7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
How many? How many ants are there?
There
There
are
are,
16.
yes, very good. There are 16 ants. And what are the colors of these ants? Its color?
It's called brown and
Perfect.
black.
Brown and black. Very good. So their black or their feet are black. Very good. So next one. What do we call these animals? What
I
do we
can
call
see right ago. I can
Ego?
see snakes. I
Snakes,
can see a tiger
tiger,
and the and and bats and monkey and bird.
very good. What do we call them? We call them as jungle.
And
They are
they are
jungle
jungle
friends.
friends. Jungle
Yes.
friend.
Wow, very
I
good.
go, I go, I
Ego,
go.
ego. Okay, so now let's read this word. Let's say bird.
Bird,
Bird,
monkey, frog,
jungle.
jungle, tiger, ant, bat, snake.
Okay, next. What do we call this place? What is the name of this
It's a bird.
place? It's a
Bird.
jung,
Go.
jungle. Very good. This is the jungle. How about this one? What animal is this?
It's a bat.
It's a bat. How about this? Wah, wah.
Tiger.
It's a
Tiger.
tiger. How about this one? It's
Bird.
it's a bird. This. Ego, ego, ego.
I go. I go.
It's a frog. Next one. It's
It's
a
a monkey.
it's a monkey.
Monkey is a quality. And
Next
an
one.
ant.
It's an ant. Next, our last animal is? It's an ego. Is this an ego?
It's a snake.
It's a snake. Wow. Very good. So good job, Moon, for this lesson. So I can see that you understood each a jungle animal. So since we do not have much time, so this will be the end of our lesson, Moon. So thank you very much, Moon, and see you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good job in today's lesson.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Sleep well. You can now rest. Thank you so much.